wake up at 5 in the morning. The world is still quiet, still half asleep. The sky is soft, the air is cool, and I spend an hour with my books, letting my mind wake before my body does. Then I prepare for the walk. I take out my running shoes that had gathered dust for months, and I clean them, almost like a small ritual. I check that my earbuds are fully charged. I slide my phone into the shoulder pocket, so my hands are free, and my focus stays on the path ahead. And then I step outside. I begin to run 2 kilometers at an easy pace. Just me. Air is fresh, almost sacred. It feels like a gift to arrive here early, before the world wakes up, before the day begins to move too fast. I look around, the tall trees standing still, stones scattered along the roadside, the old railway track running endlessly forward, and the green paddy fields, stretching wide like a painting drawn by nature itself. For a moment, it feels like heaven, a place where time slows down, a place where silence is not empty, but full of meaning. This is why I walk. This is why I run. Not only for fitness, not only for strength, but to feel alive, to greet the morning with clarity, to remind myself that every sunrise is a new beginning.